Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Sami from the Biostatistics Learning Group. In this session, we'll talk more about regression. So, logistic regression, in linear regression, y, which is the dependent variable, can theoretically have any possible value. In many situations, however, we are not interested in a numerical outcome, such as the risk of fibrosis, but in a nominal or categorical one, um, typically a binary or dichotomous one, such as the death versus survival, developing lung cancer versus not developing lung cancer. Here, the relationship between risk factors and the outcome is clearly not a linear relationship. While exposure to a risk factor increases gradually, the change in outcome from survival to death or from health to a diagnosis of cancer is a sudden, all or nothing one. Hence, the outcomes, such as death and versus survival, are conventionally represented by 0 and 1. A mathematical function, the logistic function, is used to transform the linear regression data so that the value of y, the dependent variable, are limited to the range of 0 and 1, or 0 to 1, giving us the probability of the outcome y occurring like any probability. It can range from 0 to 1 for given values of x, your independent variable. Just as with multiple regression, coefficients show the strength of the influence of different factors. Some factors may have a very low coefficient, showing they're not significant predictors of the outcome. So logistic regression is particularly suited to the analysis of case control studies, telling us the odds of the outcome of interest, such as death, versus its converse, such as recovery, for a given degree of exposure to various risk factors, as well as the p-value associated with this finding. For this reason, logistic regression is used very commonly, particularly in public health and cancer research. For example, a study done compared patients' cases or case control with newly diagnosed oropharyngeal cancer with otherwise similar clinic patients, control who did not have cancer. A logistic regression analysis showed that multiple risk factors, including those here, were significantly associated with the development of this cancer, accounting for the development of 90% of cases. Thank you so much for your time. And by this, we conclude our session, and you can follow up us on Twitter. Thank you so much for your time.